Toilets usually aren't thought about a lot unless they're dirty or they're not working. Now, did you know if your toilet's not working, it might not just because it's getting old. There are outside entities that cause problems with toilets and other fixtures in your house that you should know about. When our plumbers come out, they're going to measure both these entities. The first of which is the amount of chlorine in your water. Chlorine's an oxidizer and has a profound effect on all your fixtures, rubber and plastic components, costing you money. The other is high water pressure, which can be very damaging to all your fixtures as well. Now, the good thing is there's a solution to both of these problems. Now, to get the chlorine out of the water, we're going to recommend a whole house water filtration system. It's going to get the chlorine out before it enters any of your plumbing fixtures. The next is a pressure reducing valve and an expansion tank, keeping the water pressure at 80 pounds per square inch or less, protecting your fixtures. Now, both these measurements are in line. Hey, we can make a repair or update your toilet for you, both of which carry the best guarantees in town. If you're having problems, you'll know who to call, Ben Franklin Plumbing, or visit us at benfranklinclt.com.
Benjamin Franklin Plumbing.